boys and girls. This is part 2 of yesterday's lesson, which was words with the vowel pair A consonant E. And we talked yesterday about how we know the difference between the long and short vowels. And the way you know the difference is that the short vowels, they can't say their names. They're like little babies. Ah, eh, uh. The long vowels, they have a different sound. They're longer. You can pretend they're older, and they know how to say their name. A, E, I, O, U. And what evil E does, remember? What he does is that he makes the vowels, and the vowels can be A, E, I, O, or U, say their names. So, he makes A say A instead of A. So tell me your name. A. Okay, if he were to say that to a baby, babies wouldn't know how to do it. They would just ignore him. They would just go, ah. But mainly, he can make the vowels, A, E, I, O, U, say their long sounds. So we're going to practice that right now. So let's move this up. Let's move this out, actually. Okay, so right now, let's just sound it out. There's no evil E in sight, so we're just going to stick with saying the short sounds. Let's do it. Starting on the left. A, d, mad, mad, mad. Okay, but now what? Evil E comes and says, tell me your name. So he is now now going to make a long sound. And remember, the long sound is his name. Made. And the evil E is silent because he's a bully. Bullies do things in secret because they're cowards. Made. This says made. Made. Okay, we're going to say each sound again. Oh, right now, there's no evil E in sight, so we're just going to stick with saying the short sounds. K, a, n, can, can. Okay, so now in comes evil E. Tell me your name. Okay, his name is A, so now when we sound it out, we have to say A, not A. A, because he's making him say his name. Cane, 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 candy cane. Or like maybe if you're old, you walk with a cane. Cane. Okay, let's read the word. Okay, right now that's just a regular old vowel and it's going to say its short sound. It's short baby sound. Ah, ah, ah. Right, it's a short sound. Plan, 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 plan. We have a plan to go to the beach this weekend. Plan. But now, evil E comes there. Remember, he looks for vowels. You know, maybe because vowels might be the weaker letters. I don't know why he looks for A, E, I, O, and U all the time, but he looks for them. He makes them say their names. A. His name is A. Plane. Plane, like an airplane. Okay, so now we're going to get excited about adding final E's to these words. And we already did the first one. So let's see if you can do it before I write it down. See how good you are at this. Okay? So this says add. Can I write down an evil E? That's going to say its long sound. A, its name. Made. Made. We did that one already. See if you can do this one. App. Tap. Okay, that says tap. Tell me your name, or I will kick you. Ape. Tape. All right, let's do the next one. Fad. Fad. There's no evil E, right? So the A just says its short sound. Ah. Fad. So now we're going to add the evil E. And it's going to say, tell me your name. A. Aid. Fade. Fade. So curtains, after they've been in the sun a long time, they will begin to fade. Their colors will fade. Okay, next one. An. Pan. Pan. Like a frying pan. Let's add an evil E. He looks for the vowels. Tell me your name. A. Ain. Pain. Pain. Okay, let's do the next one. We just did this one. Plan. Plan. Let's add the E. Now there are two vowels in there. The E looks for the vowel and says, tell me your name. A. Plain. And finally, this one. At. Mat. Mat. Okay, but now we're going to add the evil E. Doot, 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 doot. Tell me your name. A. Mate. Mate. So like birds, they need to find their mate so that they can lay eggs and take care of their babies. Okay, boys and girls, that's your lesson for part 2 of A, consonant, E, and how the evil E makes the A say its long sound. All right, toodaloo.